Hi, Brandon Hardison, president of Champion Strategies, with our ongoing series about public speaking. Why you may need it at your work, you may need it to inspire, you may use it because this is part of what you would like to do for a career change. So we give you some free ideas to think about when it comes to the umbrella of communications, which public speaking is one of the anchors. So today I want to look at one part of public speaking and what we call table topic masters. Table topic masters can be looked upon as the host, as the mediator, as the referee, as the person that comes up with the questions. And you are the one that are supposed to deliberate, give more information, justify, or against whatever the master tells you. So, looking at how table topic masters operate, especially recently, there's been too many roadblocks, if you will, stifling the creative impromptu speakers that are out there. You see, a good impromptu speech is like a sparkle. It shoots off to a speaker's idea that sparks from a flame that comes within them. To have such an impact, the speaker needs to have an active mind. He or she must be in top form. Of course, the topic matters a lot too. Ideally, it is a topic that ignites and allowing the person who's doing the speaking to elaborate more. Unfortunately, unwittingly, some of the table topic speakers are confronted time and time and again by weighty topics, topics that are presented a little bit too political, too religious, and it becomes complex in trying to allow for good impromptu. For example, if I were to ask, please describe the various arguments, pro and con, to the educational proposals of the federal republic politicians to mandate the integration methods of public speaking in public school curriculum. Uh, Excuse me, what was that again? Can you repeat that? A little bit too deep. Table topics should be exciting. Table topics should not really be controversial. If it is, these topics will be interpreted differently by different people, and the guests watching or the audience will really tune out on it. It will be very helpful if the topic is not too specific. It is better if the speaker is not excited to rifle through his or her mental filing cabinet to pull up knowledge of geographical facts or solutions to physics problems. What we are looking for table topics or around the room, or you can do it with technology on Zoom, are topic questions that will allow people to engage and have fun and have follow up when they're doing this. One of my favorite table topic questions ever was this: if you were required to wear a single color for an entire year, what would that color be and why? Now, here's the reason why I like that. It's a twofold. On the one hand, it is very specific. Which color would it be and why? But on the other hand, it engages the imagination in a sort of way where you have a chance to give the speaker's imagination to come out from their everyday thinking. Impromptu speaking should be fun, enjoyable. It should help us improve the art of juggling words. For me, impromptu is what led me into public speaking because it gave me an opportunity for quick wit in responding. Now, when we talk about contemporaneous speaking, I let myself be led upon the dance floor and lose association with the dance altogether when we talk about a verbal communication with that. Therefore, if you are a person that wants to do something, especially getting youngsters involved with public speaking or any form of communications, and you are the table topic master, you're the one presenting the questions, I plead with you, have the courage to choose light, spirited, open ended topics, which give people of all ages and background the chance to use their imaginations, to find allegories, to free play associations. When you do this, you will find out that you eliminate all of the roadblocks when something is a little bit too deep, too controversial. Once again, public speaking is an art form for creative input where we want to have fun. Once again, Brandon Hardison, president of Champion Strategies, on our ongoing public speaking series. If you got something out of it, I hope you did. Always remember, go on out and make